Hey guys, Swisher Family Farm here, and this morning, as you can see, the sun isn't up yet. I'm still partially, not fully awake yet. I left my coffee in the house. Oh. Anyway, so as you've seen on our previous video, we've been fighting a lot with the whiteflies in our garden. Now, we have got them under control now. Finally got them under control. But today is the day of end-alls. We're going to nuke these suckers. We're going to nuke them and get rid of them. Now, I'm going to explain to you guys how we're going to nuke them, and I'm going to explain to you guys what you guys can use to do it. Alright, so as you all know, Diatomaceous earth, I hope I'm saying it right, something probably not, but is a good bug deterrent. They go across, and it's actually fossilized bone that's been crushed up into insects. That powder is like razor blades, and it's really weird how it works. Now, I don't suggest you ever doing this without taking the proper precautions. I have got a face mask right here that I'm going to have on when I do this, and then I wanted to show you guys something else. I also have some gloves that I wear because, you know, it's better to be safe than sorry. Who knows what it'll do to the human body. So I'm going to put these gloves on right now. Now, I always keep two boxes of mechanic gloves. Now, you can get these at your local AutoZone, or you can get these on Amazon and buy them there and have them shipped in. And they're a little pricey. They're about $30–40 for a box, but it's worth it because you're not putting your hands. I also use them a lot of times in the garden, so I don't get stuff underneath my nails, and then all I have to do is go back in the house and wash my hands, and I'm done. I don't have to sit there and brush my hands, but I know touching soil that's great. That's fine. Okay. So what we're gonna talk about is Dr. Killigan's. All right. Now this thing is awesome. All right. It's a powder duster for your garden. And you can get this on Amazon. Now, they're not paying me anything or asking me to do anything about sharing this. But this has been something that they have used forever to spread diatomaceous earth or other powdery pesticides. But we're all natural here. You know, we use a fish emulsion, we do that, and we use diatomaceous earth. And this is the best thing to use. Now, this is what it's going to look like. Now, it's not easy getting the powder in there, as you can see my hands. It's not easy getting the powder in there, but it does definitely work. It definitely works. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you clean this every time you use it. So if you clean it and you're done with it, use up all the diatomaceous earth. There's enough in this bottle right now, is full. There's enough in this to do my whole entire garden area. Now, the nice thing about it is you can turn it and use it upside down, and it'll squirt the powder underneath your leaves. And that's where a lot of your pests sit, is underneath your leaves. So what we're going to go through is we're going to do the whole garden today with this, because it won't hurt nothing, and it drops back in the soil. It doesn't hurt the plant, it doesn't hurt you. But it nukes them damn bugs. And I'll tell you what, whiteflies this year has been really bad. We never had a problem with them until this year. And I haven't seen but only one hornworm, tomato worm, so far, which is a big plus for us. So hopefully we can keep that up. So what I'm going to do is you're going to get to see me. I'm going to go around and I'm going to spread this diatomaceous earth all over tomato plants, everything, and we're going to get it up and growing and doing well. I'm hoping that this works to finish off the rest of the whiteflies. I'm sure I'm still going to have a few here and there, but you know, for what I'm going to use it for right now is going to get us by. It's going to do the job. So I'm going to get started doing that, and get my mask on and pull it down, put it inside my shirt like that. Now it'll fog up your glasses a little, but what I try to do is I try to blow downward, and there's a vent right here where it'll actually not steam up my glasses. So for you people out there wearing glasses, it's the way to go. So you guys get to see me use this. Alright, there we go. We got a little bit of the dust in there. Now I'm going to turn the camera, I'm going to show you. Now I'm not going to take you through the whole garden to do this. I'm just going to show you the basics of how to do it. But I am going to do the whole garden. And I try to get out here first thing in the morning because that's when they're just settling in. And I can get to them right away and get a heads up, or get a step ahead of them, should I say. So let's get going. So as you see, we'll take this and we'll get started. And sometimes you have to shake it up a little inside. And don't worry if it comes out a little heavy, it won't hurt nothing. It won't hurt the plant any. Let's see how I get up underneath. And now I get over here. Now Amy just watered last night. I wanted her to water real good beforehand. Now shake it up a little more. Move down to the next tomato plants. And you'll see all the, that's why I wear a mask, because of the powder. And try to stay downwind from it. Okay. I'll come over to this other side over here, and I'll do the same thing. Alright guys, so I got the diatomaceous earth. It's all over my tomato plants, it's all over my pepper plants, it's all over everything. Now this should cure that last little bit of problem I'm going to have. Boy, I'll tell you what, they're growing like wildfire. All my plants are. So, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that like button, and like I said, nuke them suckers. Because they're only going to cause you problems in the long run if you don't nip them in the butt. And if you haven't, go watch our prior video to whiteflies and how to take care of them and get them under control. And that's basically what we did. We took care of them, got them under control, got the amount lowered, and then I went in for the last kill, which kind of eradicated them, I'm hoping. It's worked so far, so hopefully it works for you. Don't forget, some things work in my area that don't work in your area. Do your research, check in, make sure. And if you're looking for one of those pump dusters, go to Amazon and you'll find it there. Well, I gotta go. Amy's calling me for breakfast. Gotta eat some breakfast and then get back here and get some more work done. At that point, guys, God bless. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up button, and until next time, remember, faith, family, and freedom. That's what we got. Amen. See ya.